Hi, it's Jamie from an Oregon Cottage, and today I'm going to share with you the unboxing of my second shipment from Imperfect Foods. After signing up and customizing my first box, getting it delivered, I fell in love with this service. Both the products, the ease of it, the savings, everything about it is what I'd hoped to always find in a service like this that delivers produce and more. So I should say right off the bat though that this is not sponsored by Imperfect Foods. I'm just sharing with you something I'm excited about, although there is a referral link at the end that you can use if you would like to get $10 off your first box, because I think you're going to want to do it. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so my box is actually two boxes. This is the first box, and I should say that this cost about $44, $43, and that was not with the $10. That was how much it cost. So two boxes for about $43, and you should know this is way more than just produce. So here's what you'll find. I'm pretty happy about the fact that they use as little plastic as possible. So these are what the peppers look like. I can tell you right now that they're firm. There's one little spot on them, but that's about imperfect as you get. I mean, these are really in good shape. These are what I usually get at the store, so that's that. This is 2 pounds of carrots, and they just throw those in there. They're crisp, they're not limp. You do have to have your own packaging, obviously, at home so that you can keep them. This cauliflower I have gotten before, and this comes usually about the only thing that comes wrapped in plastic. Another thing you should know is obviously you can get way more than just produce. You can get snacks. These are tortilla chips, canned goods. I got some tuna, things like grains like the tortillas, and then cold foods like dairy and meat, and they'll come packaged in this. This was some cheese. Yeah, I ordered some cheese. And the thing that's nice about these is they're all recyclable, but you can also send them back and they will reuse them again. So you can go on their website and learn more about that. Avocados. Isn't this really cool? Like, these are all things that I could pick out. So this is not your produce box that you're going to get just what they're going to give you. Instead, you get to pick out what your family eats. So I love that too, because I've had produce boxes that are not like that. Okay, let's move on to the second one. Again, it's just beautiful. I just love it. The lack of plastic is really refreshing. This is our romaine. It's very crisp. You get some, these are all just really great. Organic tomatoes. You can choose conventional or you can choose organic. Aren't these beautiful? Okay, and at the bottom of the box you can see that we have parsnips and turnips and apples and potatoes. And I can just put them in my own packaging, so I really like the way that they come. So as you can see, I'm pretty excited about this service, and I can really see us getting a box, well, it's 2 boxes, but get us a box every other week. You can choose once a week, but for us every other week I think it's going to be great. So I hope that you will go ahead and use my referral link to get $10 off your first box, and head over to the site and start customizing your own box. Also read up on their mission and FAQs, because it's a pretty cool company. Not only is it really convenient for me, but I think it's great that we're kind of doing our bit to help the environment. So I hope you enjoyed this and you're gonna go out and get your own box to try.